I'm sure from the thumbnail and title of this video, you can tell we're about to make a delicious one-pot turkey sauce. So welcome to this channel and relax because you are about to be taking on a scrumptious ride. Let's get started. First things first, the star of the dish, the turkey. So we're going to spice this. I spiced it rather, and I left it to marinate for I think an hour. Yeah, all the spices used are going to be left in the description box, and this is it after I'd mixed it thoroughly. So this is a one pot turkey coconut sauce. So this is the coconut milk I just made, and I filmed how I got that. So if you want to watch it, I will link the video up here. And I also air fried the coconut chaff, and I'm going to be using this as a, I'll use it as a garnish for the meal. So into a pan, I put in flavored oil. There's a video on that. And then I put in the turkey. So I just needed this to char on one side and then flip, 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 flip. So after I'd flipped it, I just put in some white onions. If you don't like to see onions in your meals, it's fine. You can skip that. So this sauce is something I made. I'm going to leave the link here on the screen. And then I put in some coconut water and some water I used to rinse the plate where the marinade was. And after that, I let everything boil together properly for about 2 minutes. And I put in the coconut milk, and then I put in some Cameroon pepper. Then this is a thickener. I use some flour and water. You can use corn flour. Corn flour is the best. Then I put in some red and green scotch bonnet and some more onions for garnishing. I have a video on how I made the flavored oil and the flavored sauce, and you can actually skip the flavored sauce, but yeah, for the flavored oil I have a video on how I got that. And you guys, look at how delicious this looks. This was so good. So I topped this with the coconut chips I air fried. It was really nice. I loved it. Let me know if you're going to try this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.